thanks for checking out this video. Today I'm going to check the cabin air filter on this 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. First step's going to be is open up the glove box, and I'm going to disconnect the glove box damper here. You see, all you're going to need to do is you need to pull on it to the tab. Come through the big hole there, and you're just going to push it through. Hopefully you can see that, but I've removed it. I'm going to let it go right in. It'll be fine. It's going to head back to the back of the glove box. It'll be okay. And I'm going to pull here. I'm going to pull this end around the front glove box. Same thing on this side. And as you can see, once you get that, the glove box fall down. And here's the damper here. This is how it works. Alright, so your cabin air filter is located up in this box right here, and there's a locking tab here. All you're going to need to do is push it and it'll unlock. Pull it this way and it'll unlock. And pull the door off. So this is a 2019, so it's going to be pretty clean. It's very low miles. I'm just going to pull it out and look at it. And if I need to replace it, I'm going to replace it. And this one is pretty darn clean. It's actually, yeah, it's pretty clean. So I'm not going to replace it. If I needed to, all you do is get your new one. Sometimes they're directional. This one's not. And stick it right back in there. And get your door. Pop it back on there. This is where things can get a little bit tricky, is the damper. Okay. What I want to do is, you're going to need two hands to do this, but you're going to need to pull it and then close the glove box. Which might be a little tough holding the camera. But I can manage to do it. And just put it back on there. All you have to do is just close the glove box, push these guys back around, and that's it. That's how you check the cabin air filter on a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.